Imagine unrolling your yoga mat and stepping into a world of vibrant colors and intricate designs. You feel a sense of connection, not just to your practice, but to the artists and stories behind the mat itself. This is the experience Yuneyoga aims to create with their unique collaboration mats. These mats are more than just a surface to practice on. They are works of art, each one a collaboration between Yuneyoga and talented artists from around the globe. These collaborations result in mats that are as beautiful as they are functional, adding a new dimension to your yoga practice. Yuneyoga is a brand driven by a passion for yoga and a commitment to quality and sustainability. They believe in creating products that enhance your practice while respecting the planet. Their mission extends beyond simply providing yoga equipment. They aim to build a community, connecting people through the shared language of yoga and art. Every mat tells a story, reflecting the artist's vision and the values of Yuneyoga. What sets Yuneyoga's collaboration mats apart is the unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. Each design is carefully chosen to inspire and uplift, transforming your yoga space into a gallery of art. The mats are made with high-quality, eco-friendly materials. They provide the perfect balance of grip and cushioning. This ensures a comfortable and stable practice. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these mats offer practical benefits. They provide a supportive and hygienic surface for your practice. At the heart of every Yuneyoga collaboration mat lies the spirit of co-creation. Yuneyoga seeks out artists whose work resonates with their values. They work closely with these artists to translate their vision onto a mat. This process ensures each mat is a true reflection of the artist's style and the essence of their craft. This collaborative approach not only results in stunning mats, but also supports artists and brings their work to a wider audience.